How to make your business more inclusive. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, your go-to channel for tips and strategies to elevate your business and personal finances. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that can transform not just your workplace, but also your community and your bottom line: how to make your business more inclusive. In today's diverse world, creating an inclusive environment is not just a nice thing to do, it's a necessity. Inclusion fosters innovation, drives engagement, and can significantly impact your success. So how can you create a more inclusive atmosphere in your business? Let's explore some actionable steps. First, start with awareness. It's crucial to understand what inclusivity means in the context of your business. This involves recognizing the diverse backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives that your employees and customers bring. Take time to educate yourself and your team about different cultures, identities, and challenges people face. This knowledge will help you create policies and practices that are truly inclusive. Next, evaluate your current practices. Look at your hiring processes, workplace policies, and customer interactions. Are they accessible to everyone? For instance, consider how you advertise job openings. Ensure that your job descriptions are clear and free from jargon that might alienate potential applicants. Additionally, make sure your recruitment channels reach diverse audiences. Another vital step is to foster open communication. Create a safe space where employees feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and experiences. Encourage them to voice their ideas and concerns. This could be through regular team meetings, anonymous feedback forms, or even one-on-one check-ins. Listening to your team is essential for understanding their needs and making necessary adjustments. Implementing diversity training can also be a game changer. Regular training sessions can help your team recognize unconscious biases and learn how to interact with colleagues and customers from various backgrounds. This not only enhances interpersonal relationships, but also builds a stronger team dynamic. Next, consider how you can support your community. Partnering with local organizations or businesses that champion diversity can expand your reach and show your commitment to inclusion. This could involve sponsorships, collaborations, or even volunteering. By engaging with your community, you not only enhance your brand image, but also contribute to a more inclusive society. Another important aspect is representation. Make sure your team reflects the diversity of the community you serve. This means hiring from various backgrounds and ensuring that your leadership team is diverse as well. When people see themselves represented in your business, it fosters a sense of belonging and loyalty. Moreover, assess your products or services. Are they accessible and beneficial to everyone? Consider how you can adapt your offerings to meet the needs of a broader audience. This might involve creating products that are more user-friendly or accessible for individuals with disabilities. Finally, keep the conversation going. Making your business more inclusive is not a one-time effort, it's an ongoing journey. Regularly review and update your policies and practices. Seek feedback from your team and your customers to ensure you are continually improving. In conclusion, creating an inclusive business not only enhances your work environment, but also strengthens your brand and drives success. By fostering awareness, open communication, and community engagement, you can make a significant difference. Thank you for watching this episode of Side Income Secrets. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building a successful business. Together, let's make our workplaces and communities more inclusive. See you in the next video.